Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining a clear niche and brand purpose for your organic clothing line. Identify who buys organic tees, for example, eco-conscious urban parents or boutique shoppers. Calculate true garment cost, set a retail margin goal of 40%, and establish wholesale tiers at 2 times cost to keep prices sustainable. Write a one-sentence brand promise and a 3-point value stack that you will repeat across channels: materials, craft, and impact. Use these elements to guide product design, copy, and outreach. Create educational content that explains fabrics, certifications like GOTS, and how to care for garments to extend life. This builds trust and reduces returns. Launch a 30-day challenge or sustainability pledge to drive user-generated content and request UGC with clear hashtags and incentives. Partner with 3 micro-influencers who align with values. Prioritize channels: Instagram for visual storytelling, email for retention, local pop-ups for sampling, and SEO-optimized blog posts to capture search intent and long-tail traffic. Validate sales through pop-ups, local markets, and selective wholesale accounts, while collecting emails with a 20% first purchase incentive at events to grow your list. Track core metrics weekly. Keep customer acquisition cost under 5 where possible, aim for repeat purchase rate above 25%, and maintain a lifetime value to CAC ratio of at least 3:1 to ensure profitability. Build partnerships with 2 local retailers, 1 complementary ethical brand for bundle collaborations, and pledge a clear charity percentage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.